Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming the essentials: battery charged, AC connected, and no USB devices forcing wake. Next, open Power Options and Device Manager. You need a baseline to compare. Once done, write down current sleep and hibernate timers and whether Battery Saver is active so you can restore settings if needed. You're not wasting time on fluff. These facts let you isolate hardware from software causes and move directly into targeted fixes. You now change settings that commonly break sleep. Disable hybrid sleep, verify hibernation file with PowerCook, and set concrete sleep timers. Then update chipset, display, and network drivers from Device Manager or the manufacturer site. Outdated drivers often prevent proper suspend. Make sure to disable wake timers and USB selective suspend while testing. As you apply each change, test sleep twice so you can identify which adjustment fixed the issue or which one needs reverting. To finish, run PowerCook/requests and /lastwake to see processes or drivers blocking sleep, then create a restore point before reapplying your preferred timers. If sleep now works, you're done. Make sure hibernate behaves too. If issues persist, update BIOS or UEFI, reset the power plan to defaults, and test a clean boot to rule out third-party software. One key tip: if a driver repeatedly appears in PowerCook, roll it back or reinstall from the vendor.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.